How to screen record on Android? Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the quick way to screen record on Android. Do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. To screen record on your Android phone, you don't need to install any kind of third-party app. So in this video, I'll teach you to screen record using the screen recording feature of your own Android device. So let's get started. Open settings on your Android phone. Scroll down, locate additional settings, tap on it. Scroll down, tap screen recording. So here is the section where you can easily customize every features for your screen recording. If you wish to record system sound, toggle on the button for it. If you wish to record microphone sound, toggle it on. You can also toggle it off if you don't wish to. And here, you can also select the options for a picture, that is definition and the frame rate. Here are also other features like recording front camera video, showing the screen touches while you are screen recording, video coding format, and many more. Since I am screen recording the video, so the options are not available right now. But if you wish to, you can easily customize this all the settings. So to finally screen record, you can go to the shortcut menu on your Android phone from the top and tap on the screen recording at the shortcut menu bar and easily touch this small circle, and after that the screen recording will be started. You can easily tap on this pause button and pause it and tap on the tick mark if the screen recording is done. So that is how we easily screen record on Android. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.